Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Panchangam 16th July 2024 Animasam 32 Tuesday Krodnama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam. Today's Kadaga Ravi Sangamam at 6:30 p.m. Also Dakshinayanam starting today. Grishma Ridho, Kadakamasam, as per Kerala Acharam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 6:35 p.m. Dashami, then Ekadashi. Bhauma Vasaram, Nakshatram up to night 12:58 Vishagam, then Anusham Nakshatram. Today's Raghuvalam 3 to 4:30 p.m., Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m., Guligagalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Today's good time 7:30 to 9 a.m., then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Chandrashtamam for Meenam.